I will overcompensate to you.
You should. So why are your in-laws not coming on your channel? Is everything okay between you guys? Sahil has wept and sobbed for like 5 minutes. Oh my god, I have chosen the right guy.
Pull off a wedding of this scale can go from.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. So today's video is going to be on the most requested video where we reflect back on the wedding.
Yes.
Actually ये video हमको बहुत पहले कर देना चाहिए था. अभी 2 महीना हो गया शादी को. But yeah, this guy was not at home. I have finally gotten a hold of him. So I thought let's make this video where we talk about some incidents that happened in the wedding, some inside information,
some gossips, and also some controversial questions that have been coming to us. So
Yeah.
वो सारे address करना है. So yeah, if you're interested, then please keep on watching the video.
Let's go. Okay, so the most asked question is that people don't know anything about Sahil's parents or Sahil's family in general because they have never come on my channel, and I'm gonna address that also in the video. So they just want to know about your family. So like you can introduce your family members.
So we're a very cute family of 4. I have a younger sister. She is currently studying in an Ivy school that's called Dartmouth.
Yeah.
She's doing MEM, and I think she's gonna be a MEM graduate in the month of June. Yes.
This year.
And my mom and dad both are bankers. In fact, my dad just retired in the month of August. It's not even been 6 months. And he was in Bank of India, and my mom is currently working at Reserve Bank of India.
Yes, she's an RBI employee, and his dad was an
BOI
employee.
Bankers.
So that's all the information that you wanted. I hope you guys are happy now. Let's move on to the next question, which is also again like these are all questions which are like frequently asked in my comment section, in my DMs, in my Maumandar, everywhere.
Yeah.
So the next question is, where are you guys living currently?
Initially, Manasi was insisting कि we live midway between both our parents.
Yeah.
ताकि we are
because his parents and my parents में काफी distance है, मतलब हमारे में 3-4
but there's also middle way.
हाँ, तो midway में हम रह सकते थे. तो I was thinking we could do that.
Yeah, but then I insisted कि see, this is a space that she already had as a studio, and it's a proper 2 BHK. It's a big house and everything. So then why not shift here? Plus it's very closer to my office, so it becomes very easier for daily commute also.
For him, मेरा तो गैस किधर से भी चल जाएगा. I was okay with staying anywhere, but like ना construction चल रहा है मुंबई में, तो we were like जहाँ पे भी इसके ऑफिस के पास में we could.
गली से निकलते ही इतना टाइम लग जाता. So that's the reason it was a very strategic decision. We always wanted to live separately once we got married because we both are of the same ideologies that both the genders should leave the nests after getting married.
Yeah.
So
yeah. Moving on to the next question, which is, it's been 2 months, so how's life been? People want to know everything. कैसे चल रहा है, क्या चल रहा है? There was a comment and like, Mau, please, हमको जानना है, हम बहुत नोजी है, हमको सब पंचायत है. कुछ पंचायत का है नहीं कुछ बताने के लिए. 2 months have been a little difficult. Not gonna lie, I've always been very transparent with you guys. It's because हमें it hit us. Jan was difficult because December तक सब ठीक था, reception हो गया, हमने 31st भी साथ में मनाया and everything. But the moment I think Jan began, it was difficult because Sahil's wedding season like began in full swing, and he had to overcompensate what he couldn't because of his own wedding.
Because I didn't do any work in December, so that's why there were multiple projects lined up in January. It was heavy,
and they were overlapping and stuff. तो Sahil को खाने के लिए भी टाइम नहीं था. मतलब literally मैं उसके पीछे पराठा लेके घूमी हूँ कि भाई खा ले कुछ.
So yeah, like I was saying that Jan was a crazy month for us, and now February has been calmer. But in January, she was the one, like she mentioned, अभी पराठा लेके बाहर घूम रही थी. But she was the one who was doing all the household chores से लेके understanding कि क्या खाना बनाना है, क्या नहीं बनाना है, and everything. So thank you so much, and I love you for it. You took my absence in January, and इसने घर संभाला.
झेलना पड़ा मेरे को. टुक नहीं. I had to, like there was no other option. I had to. I have told you guys that I felt very lonely in January, honestly. But because हम दोनों को idea नहीं थी कि कितना severe होने वाला है.
Because so it was always a set of expectations कि post marriage ऐसा कुछ होगा.
Yeah, because you see all the couples. Internet पे भी नहीं, but people we know in general they go for honeymoon, and it's like a very this period कि अभी घर से शादी हो गई, हम घर से निकल चुके हैं, we can go home at whatever time, eat whatever we want. That newly married feeling हमें नहीं आई. It's because of whatever happened. So yeah, it was a little this, but I think it's getting back on track.
I will overcompensate to you.
You should.
I promise. And yes.
Okay. Which brings me to the next question. Honeymoon का बात चल रहा था कि what are your honeymoon plans? Can we see like some trips or anything coming up? Travel content basically. Honestly, there is no plan as such because as I said, उसका अभी भी चल रहा है. So I think October से February in every year you should expect Sahil to be MIA from the channel, from my stories. He is just not available. So I think Feb end में we'll थोड़ा decide क्या कर सकते हैं. He'll get time to breathe and actually understand क्या है, कैसे कर सकते हैं. So I think March, April में we are thinking for a trip, but we don't know where. It's domestic, international, whatever. We really want to travel with EB.
We definitely want to travel because we love traveling. Last year also we have traveled to a lot of places and we love the company.
Not a lot of places. We just went to South Korea and Dubai together.
Hey, bhai,
and
South
Japan
Korea,
was
Dubai,
just
Japan.
5 days.
हाँ तो गए ना. So South Korea, Dubai, Japan, Bangalore. फ्लाइट में गए.
Bangalore हम वो आश्रम के लिए गए थे. हमने Bangalore एक्सप्लोर भी नहीं किया.
That's how there were multiple trips last year, and we want to still continue doing that because that's what we love.
Okay, next question is a controversial question. Are you ready?
Very much.
The question is, why are your in-laws not coming on your channel? Is everything okay between you guys? Is something wrong between Manasi and
मैंने
in-laws?
बहुत पढ़ा. क्यों क्या पता.
Guys, everything is cool. I mean, I don't know why people always assume कि लोग इंटरनेट पे नहीं दिखे, चैनल पे नहीं दिखे तो something is uncool. कुछ है ही नहीं, कुछ wrong होने के लिए. Honestly, the way internet has become अभी, I feel expecting the older generation to come on the channel is only unfair. Like वो बेचारों को कुछ समझता ही नहीं है. If you see like माई हिस्ट्री, मैं मेरे माँ बाप को भी कभी फोर्स नहीं किया है टू कम ऑन माई चैनल. वो लोग कभी ऐसे बैकग्राउंड में दिख गए तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज मतलब मैं कभी
मतलब इनफैक्ट लाइक नाउ वी नो ईच अदर सिंस द पास्ट 6 years and अब तक मैं comfortable नहीं हुआ हूँ. I've not become that frequent. You have no idea how many takes he's given right now. I give multiple takes. I don't know. Sometimes I don't know how to speak in front of the camera. I become very shy while vlogging. मैं ऐसे करता हूँ camera. It's supposed to be like this. So all these things जब मुझे ही नहीं अब तक मिला है that confidence, so I'm not obviously gonna hope my parents also to be right away jump into or a vlog karta and all of that. So obviously they also won't be comfortable and we don't want to personally throw them off guard and
ऐसे camera निकाल दिया
कि चलो vlog करते हैं
because people do get uncomfortable.
Speculation फिर और गलत करने के अगर नहीं आए तो problem है. So that is different. In fact the other day when we were rewatching our vlogs and the videos,
finally Sahil got time to watch our wedding vlogs.
Oh, no. तो उसमें ही मैंने खुद मानसी को भी एड्रेस किया कि उसके भी पेरेंट्स इतने नहीं दिखे, मतलब in terms of vlogging they are there in the shots, they are there doing work or they have been covered.
मेरे पापा है ही नहीं, मेरी माँ थोड़ी सी थी, but otherwise my dad is, मतलब मैंने actually डांस के अलावा वो है ही नहीं. Honestly, I am a vlogger, right? So I was vlogging my side. Sahil is not a vlogger, तो वो उसके रूम में क्या चल रहा है, उसके मॉम डैड क्या कर रहे हैं, वो कैसे आएगा वो. I also feel that why this happens is because like other creators have gotten married. मैडी की अभी शादी हुई है तो फिर अभी ऐसा हो रहा है कि मैडी दिखाती है ना तो तू क्यों नहीं दिखाई. लिटरली ऐसे कमेंट्स आते हैं कि मृदुल के पेरेंट्स दिखते हैं, मृदुल के इन-लॉज दिखते हैं तो तुम क्यों नहीं दिखाते, मतलब तुम में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है ऐसा. there was, so basically when Maddie got married तभी भी यही था कि Adi's mom hates Maddie. बेचारों को वीडियो बनाना पड़ा था कि addressing this controversy. Remember, right? So तभी भी उसको भी वही किया था, अभी मुझे भी वही कर रहे हैं वो लोग कि जब तक मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगी इन-लॉज को तब तक ये लोग को. It's a pattern but it does not make sense now.
Obviously उनके पेरेंट्स आर वेरी कूल एंड आई थिंक पर्सनली हमने भी मृदुल के डैड के वीडियोस देखे
and
so they are very camera friendly as well and kudos to them, they are doing amazing in terms of content and everything. But यहाँ पे भी comparison लाना is not making any sense.
भाई सब wedding लहंगा compare कर लिया, wedding location compare कर लिया.
Generally, I've been a part of both the weddings, so they have enjoyed each other's weddings by their fullest. Yeah, exactly. तो उसमें comparison लाना is very weird. And बस बनकर वो ये comparison, कोई और शादी करेगा तो यहाँ पे फिर से comparison या वहाँ पे फिर से comparison. It does not make sense.
The whole point is that nothing is wrong between me and his parents or him and my parents. Whenever both the sets are comfortable to come on the camera, they will come.
मतलब I cannot promise. हम लोग बहुत मजे करते हैं.
Yeah, you should follow Mau Mandal for that. Like हमारा पानी पूरी पार्टी मिताली के साथ हम लोग bowling गए थे, मैं सब डालती हूँ वहाँ पे. मिताली मतलब उसकी बहन. So like if you think कि अरे कुछ तो problem है तो नहीं है. It's because I'll tell you कि उसकी mom is still working. तो मतलब they are very much busy in their own life. So yeah, I mean क्या ही बोलूँ.
ये सब gossip मानना बंद करो guys. कुछ होता नहीं है gossip.
एंड ऑनेस्टली हमको खुद को ब्रीथ करने के लिए टाइम नहीं मिला है.
मसाला नहीं भी होता तो भी दे वांट ये क्या है इसमें.
हाँ, साहिल बेचारा घूम रहा है, मेरे डैड फेल सिक तो मेरे 15 दिन उसमें गए, मैं घर संभालने में, ईवी इज फॉलिंग सिक इफ यू फॉलो माउंटेन यू नो, तो ये सब उसके घर पे जाके उनको नहीं हमारे ब्लॉग में आओ, लोगों को लग रहा है हम दोनों के बीच में कुछ गलत है, ये बहुत फनी लगता है वो कभी कभी. सो या प्लीज डोंट फीड इनटू दिस. दे विल कम ऑन माय चैनल whenever they want to. If you want to see them, please go on my Mau Mandal. Whenever we go to their house, we click some pictures and like we post it on Mau Mandal anyways. Okay, moving on to the next question is, were there any mishaps / regrets in the wedding? Because you have shown all the happy parts and all of that.
Right.
So I think there are like 3-4 incidents we want to address. You want to go with the first one?
Yeah. I think one, it can be a mishap ki
It was a mishap
a couple
only.
of my our close friends reached late in Haldi.
Yeah.
Because they had to miss flights because of certain reasons.
They
तो वो
missed
लोग-
their flight.
हाँ, they missed their flight and they reached. I think जब हल्दी लग रही थी तभी आए थे. They were not a part of.
Prerit
the-
and Harshal basically.
Yeah.
You've seen them on my
They were
our
not a part
channel.
of the Haldi games
Carnivals and
yeah,
everything.
वो सब.
एंट्री भी नहीं देखी वो लोग ने हमारी. हम जब स्टेज पे चढ़े और हमारी हल्दी चालू हो गई थी
हाँ,
तब
तभी आए.
दे लैंडेड
But
एंड
फिर आके वो लोग सबसे आगे ही खड़े रहे. उन्होंने मेरा कुर्ता फाड़ा है, उसने ही मेरे को बहुत हल्दी लगा है. So, yeah.
ऑनेस्टली हमने इसलिए जानबूझ के थोड़ा लेट भी किया हल्दी सो दैट दे
हाँ.
कैन मेक इट बिकॉज दे आर वेरी क्लोज टू अस. अभी हम वो टॉपिक में नहीं घुसेंगे कि कैसे क्यों फ्लाइट मिस हुई है वो
So
सब.
that was a mishap.
But that was a mishap, I think. Apart from that, there was no mishap as such. There are like a few regrets.
हाँ, एक
which you
funny
want to-
mishap था but कि I
हाँ.
fell during हल्दी.
Even I
So
fell.
because already काफी like everyone had done watery, वहाँ पे हल्दी थी,
Yeah.
flowers था, everything was there, and we were given CO2 guns, and it was a very slippery floor, and I was barefoot. तो जैसे ही CO2 गन का प्रेशर आया तो I fell along with the gun.
And I had no idea that he fell.
First time as in the haldi we were doing the
Yeah.
first time CO2 guns, तो सबके कैमरा ऑन थे, and everyone has that footage.
Yeah.
I am
But
glad
nobody
कि
has
किसी ने डाला नहीं अब
released
तक,
it.
क्योंकि अभी हम लोग ही डालेंगे सामने से, but that was one very funny mishap.
And that happened, and then later the last picture
Yeah.
with my friends. हम
I
लोग
think you were getting down for pictures. I mean,
Yeah.
you were supposed to sit down and बाकी लोग अपने ऊपर.
Yeah, so I was about to get down from the stage and I
Yeah.
stumbled. Okay, like मतलब मैं कुछ, and thank God कि वो orange लहंगा में इतना कैन था,
Yeah.
वरना मेरे
बचा है.
दोनों knees फटने वाले थे तभी. So yeah, मतलब he also fell, I also fell. That was
That's
like a
good कि
mishap. It was a cute
बुरा
thing.
ओमेन हमने first function, second function में
निकाल दिया. Next is, मैंने लिख के रखा है क्योंकि मैं भूल गई थी. Mishap ये था that the videographer team that we had hired, they had not kept a single videographer to capture his entry.
So
सब लोग
during
मेरे
the
एंट्री पे
Varmala,
थे
हाँ.
during वरमाला की बात
See,
कर रही हूँ.
obviously the bride is the most important part of the wedding.
Yeah, but honestly,
एक कैमरा भी होता तो शायद
Yeah.
my reaction would have been captured.
because Sahil has wept and sobbed for like 5 minutes, and 5 minutes is a long time. वो रो ही रहा था full time, and not for content. I'm saying just for our memories.
yeah, that's
वो
true.
है ही नहीं. मतलब मुझे चाहिए था कि वो at least मेरे पास कुछ तो किसी के पास तो हो, and plus the क्या बोलते हैं, stage
area
was
was
so
very
huge
huge, yeah.
कि लोगों ने भी जो capture किया वो इतना पास से नहीं हुआ है. So it was like a mishap.
That was one
regret.
regret
I did not expect that to happen because Beats in the Moment ने निकिता की भी शादी, शुक्तिरीज ओनर, उनकी भी कवर की है. These people pitched them for Maddie's wedding also. उन्होंने मैडी की शादी भी कवर की. So I had full faith in them कि वो लोग बराबर से
And we have
करेंगे.
known the team also for a very long time. So
बट ये जब हुआ ना तब मेरा बहुत ही हो गया बिकॉज ग्रूम की रिएक्शन, ग्रूम का वीडियोस भी उतने अच्छे से आने चाहिए जितने ब्राइड के आने चाहिए. सो यू ऑल्सो गाइज कीप दिस इन माइंड कि वेन एवर यू हायर द टीम यू हैव टू टेल देम कि ग्रूम को भी
Very
उतना ही
specific.
कवरेज
Yeah,
मिलना
that's
चाहिए.
true.
सो आई थिंक दैट वाज अ मिसहैप एंड वो फुटेज में है ही नहीं किसी के भी कैमरा में. इतने 12 लोगों की टीम थी बट दैट फुटेज इज नॉट देयर. सो आई थिंक that was like a mishap. So yeah, I think there were no like major mishaps or regrets or anything, and I am so grateful, touch wood, कि हमारी शादी में सब कुछ ठीक से गया because there was a rain forecast on the haldi day. मैं 2 महीने से पागल जैसे वेदर फोरकास्ट चेक करी थी क्योंकि हम दोनों ने कढ़ाई से खाना खाया. Anyways, no, I'm superstitious. Okay, so I was checking कि क्या है, और हल्दी के दिन ही slight rain का चांस था, और हल्दी is the only function that we had outdoors. So I was like praying कि भाई कुछ ना हो, वो नहीं हुआ. Then temperature, oh my god, like हमारे मेहंदी के टाइम पे I froze and how. So we were worried कि इतना सुंदर लोकेशन है वो बीच का जो foyer था, अगर वहाँ पे ठंडी लगने लग गई लोगों को तो people will start running inside, and of course, and there were a lot of older people also. So we were very worried. But on the day of साखरपुड़ा का night, जो सूफी नाइट टाइप्स था वो, and the wedding night, it was not cold because हमने बहुत बड़े हीटर्स लगाए थे.
सूफी नाइट पे भी it was cold, but everyone danced that night.
Yeah, तो सब लोग की ऐसे गर्मी बाहर आ
and we हम लोग पसीना हो गए थे during that time. देखो एकदम ठंडा लगा.
Sorry.
So, yeah. उस दिन तो नहीं थी बट miraculously during wedding because
Yeah.
उसके previous day in the Sangeet day it was very cold like
Yeah.
super cold and like we were scared कि next day भी cold होगा EV के लिए या फिर elder people के लिए सब cold होगा but then during the wedding miraculously भगवान ने अच्छे
हमको तो
से
गर्मी लग रही थी
Yeah,
इनफैक्ट
हमको तो
किरण
गर्मी
also
लग
told me that other guests also were like
they
कि नहीं,
enjoyed
हाँ,
so that it was
सबको अच्छा,
pleasant like it was a
cold.
pleasant cold so that's what we loved
And-
we avoided a mishap
I feel उदयपुर में इतनी ठंडी नहीं थी is what तुषार was telling me.
Okay.
तुषार is the manager of चित्तौड़गढ़ का जो property था अपना
केसर
केसर
बाग.
बाग.
Yeah.
So I was just talking to him and he said that it's not that cold in Udaipur. It's cold in चित्तौड़गढ़.
Okay.
Because चित्तौड़गढ़ is like
हाँ,
1.5 hours away from
yeah.
उदयपुर और अंदर थोड़ा outskirts में है.
Hmm.
So there is no like hustle bustle of the city and pollution और वो सब
Correct.
नहीं है. तो वहाँ पे और
थोड़ी
ठंडी
ठंडी
थी.
पड़ती है.
मतलब I feel मेरे मेहंदी के टाइम पे I think 2 डिग्री तक टेम्परेचर गया था रात को.
मेहंदी के टाइम पे तो super cold it was
I was very worried, but हमने बड़े बड़े हीटर्स लगवाए थे. I think शुक्ति थी किल्डेड तभी उन्होंने I think वो लोग प्रॉपर सब ध्यान में रख के बराबर से हीटर्स लगवाए थे because when a lot of people started coming in, I was worried कि सब लोग खुश होने चाहिए. Just because of ठंडी, the experience should not get spoiled. But everything went smoothly. Okay, there's one more question which is like a very pressed question कि what is the budget of the wedding and how did you pull it off if you say that you come from a middle class family? Those people are there like oh खुद को बोलती मिडिल क्लास बट इतनी बड़ी शादी कर दी ये वो. There was one more this underlying question that people thought in the initial thing that it was a collab between Kesarbagh and us, like a free thing and like a hosted types. It wasn't. हमने जितना भी charge था we have paid. Of course, we have gotten a discounted rate, no doubt. Is because I'll tell you, explain you why. Because if you have seen how we locked the property, is when we locked it in April or something, in March or something. After Maddie's wedding, we immediately flew to. मैंने ये video बनाया हुआ है blog, आप उसमें जाके देख सकते हो. And you can clearly see that the property is not even half built. Okay, सिर्फ बीच का foyer ready था, rooms ready नहीं थे. The reception was not ready. In fact, जो सीढ़ी से मैं चढ़ रही हूँ, कुछ भी ready नहीं था. So we actually played a gamble. We trusted तुषार कि वो कर लेंगे and हमने वो लॉक किया है. So it's like when the tower is building and when you want to buy that flat, rates कम होते हैं, वैसा था. ठीक है, एक वो. Secondly, when the properties new, they want like business, they want to know, put their name out in the market, right? Which is where I come in place, Manasi Mau comes in place. And the double dhamaka happened when they knew that he's a wedding planner, right? So when he goes to pitch to his clients and he says that I got married in Kesarbagh, immediately the clients will think, oh my god, he's gotten married in Kesarbagh, let me check how the property is. So Kesarbagh is definitely gonna get more business. So they got a very double dhamaka deal.
It was a good thing for them also and for us also.
Right?
So वो एक balance भी हो गया in terms of budgeting कि okay, because obviously we also had a set budget in our mind कि इसके ऊपर exceed नहीं करना. We also didn't want to spend because if you see then 5 stars, 7 stars international people do what not. But we were also running on a strict budget and that is why obviously Kesarbagh fit perfectly. Like it was like this.
So we definitely got a better rate जो तुमको अभी शायद ना मिले because अभी the property is like booming and how. So that is why we could afford it and also is because Sahil and I both helped our families to like make this happen. We were very clear कि we want to equally pay like financially support our parents to make this happen. तो हमें भी नहीं लगा था कि इतनी बड़ी हो जाएगी wedding but एक एक करते हमने साथ में मिलके force लगाया है financially and that's why this could happen.
And they helped a lot. It was crazy. Like obviously it wouldn't have happened without our parents. जो भी हमने खर्चे किए because हुए हैं खर्चे. It was never कि you know everything is in collab or everything is in free and all of that. No, it was a big proper I won't say big fat but maybe semi big fat Indian wedding.
हाँ, साहिल के लिए it's not because Sahil has done like शुक्ति दी के लिए the weddings this was like a normal wedding. ये लोग तो हमेशा करते ही ऐसे इससे भी बहुत बड़े weddings ये लोग करते हैं. But हम मेरे लिए somebody who comes from a like middle class family it was a big for my खानदान. Everybody was like अरे बहुत सुंदर शादी की थी. Like there is also this one more controversy thing. I don't know if you know this that people think that you come from a generational wealth. That is why Shukti is doing so well. Nikita has also started Shukti's owner from scratch. उसके पापा रेलवे में काम करते थे. He's still working, right? और uncle retired. He retired. So they have put that seed money and touchwood ये लोग इतना जोर से काम करते हैं. Both of them are so dedicated towards their work and that is why Shukti is booming. So yeah, we have like हमें फटका पड़ा है basically. काफी सारा खर्चा हुआ है and honestly we are still retrieving that money back and that is why honeymoon भी थोड़ा हम हिचकिचा रहे हैं because we really want to like gather थोड़ा बहुत money and then only travel.
I think you were mentioning कि budget people wanted to know.
Yeah.
तो budget
Please contact Shukti.
That is true.
Get
But-
married with Shuptiti.
Good integration, natural integration. But to be honest, budget for such weddings can go. It can range from, say, for example, 50 to 1 CR, and then obviously the sky is the limit. फिर 2, 3, 4 CR भी जा सकता है. So
Yeah.
always the sky is the limit. But to maybe pull off a wedding of this scale can go from 50 or 60 starting.
Yeah.
That will include everything in terms of food.
And it all depends on how complicated you
Yeah, it also-
make your wedding. For
yeah.
example, जैसे तुम्हारा डेकोर हो गया, तुम्हारे SFX हो गए कि तुमको कितने पायरो चढ़ाने हैं, कितना फ्लावर शॉवर करना है, कितना एलैबोरेट हल्दी का डेकोर करना है, कितना पर्सनलाइज्ड करना है, कौन सा एंकर तुम लाते हो, ऑल ऑफ दैट, लाइक ऑल दीज
everything is
स्मॉल
variable if you
वेंडर्स,
see, yeah.
उससे कॉस्ट बढ़ता है या फिर कम होता है. तो ये जो साहिल ने कॉस्ट बोला वो लाइक अ बेस बोला है, तो इट डिपेंड्स. सो आई गॉट 3-4 people asking me कि you want to get married with Shuptiti and you want to, you know, get married in the same property. I think rather than DMing me, you should like get in touch with Shuptiti and they will tell you and guide you through all of this कि कैसे process होता है, क्या होता है. So yeah, I hope that answers this whole budget
वाला
question.
Yeah.
And moving on to the last question, which is like reminiscing on the wedding, like what was your favorite part of
Yeah.
the wedding? I
Mine
feel
was the Varmala.
Varmala. I was about to
Yeah.
say that. I think it's the favorite part of each guest that attended the
Yeah,
wedding.
that's true.
अभी भी जब हम कभी मिलते हैं तो सारे दोस्त, सारे घर वाले, हम, your parents, my parents, we all talk about how beautiful the Varmala was, and I
It
think
was goosebumps pure. So yeah,
Yeah.
that was it. For me, one accomplishment I would say, and obviously a favorite moment, कि I did not F up in dance that much हमारे couple dance में, because हमने इतने practices करे थे.
इतने नहीं,
And I-
एक मिनट, तभी भी साहिल का काम चल रहा था.
And I used to goof up in what
Yeah.
10-15 places and all of that. But then on day there was another rush in both of us,
Yeah.
and we pulled off the dance very crazily with only 2 goof ups from my side.
पर वो भी इतने बड़े नहीं थे,
हाँ.
honestly, वो hardly noticeable थे.
But I'm proud of myself
Yeah,
and yours.
so am I. And there was this one goof up, okay, in the dance where there was this one part जहाँ पे मैं goof up करती थी and मैं तभी भी करने वाली थी and साहिल guided me. And तभी मेरे को ऐसा ही हुआ, oh my god, I have chosen the right guy. Because उसने मेरे को मतलब समझा ही नहीं, इतना sleeveless ने उसने मेरे को घुमाया है. I think मैं भूल गया वो कौन सा गाना था, अपना रबने बनाने वाला, वो वाले में ही था. एंड मैं हमेशा गलती करती थी वो पार्ट पे, उसने मेरे को घुमाया एंड देन ही लाइक मेड मी रियलाइज कि तुझे ये स्टेप करनी है, व्हिच वाज सो क्यूट. दैट वाज आल्सो लाइक अ मेमोरेबल थिंग. एंड आल्सो दैट सरप्राइजेस दैट ही गेव, लाइक द स्मॉल सरप्राइजेस इन द रूम एंड द सरप्राइज डांस, लाइक दीज आर वेरी क्यूट मोमेंट्स दैट आई विल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर.
Someone used to say कि nobody can surprise me, मुझे सब पता चल जाता है, but she could not guess these two surprises.
These two, ठीक है, ये पॉइंट्स को दे रही हूँ मैं, बट आई
Good.
थिंक फ्यूचर में आई नीड टू गेट माय पावर्स बैक.
अरे बाप रे.
वो शादी में थोड़ा
कशाला पाहिजे powers, नाही पाहिजे. So yeah,
Okay.
but reminiscing, I feel all the 3 days and
Oh wait, the Sufi night wala, Rajasthani
Dances.
folk dance wala.
Yeah, yeah. Everyone
I will
enjoyed
not
it.
forget that
That's
night. Because it was so unexpected. जितना मैंने vlog में दिखाया है वो कुछ भी नहीं. It's half of it.
yeah.
Because लोग जो नाचे हैं, मतलब लोगों ने सब यही बोला कि भाई पहले दिन पे ही तुमने सब एनर्जी
It was
निकाली.
supposed to be a
तभी
very
only I
calm.
lost my voice.
It was supposed to be a very calm event. Ki people are doing mehendi, people are
Eating and all
eating
that.
and just enjoying the folk music.
It
But
wasn't.
when did it turn into a dance party?
Yeah.
हमें भी नहीं पता चला.
हम तो ऊपर थे, कुछ तो काम करने गए थे हमारे शैडोज के साथ, एंड हम जब नीचे देख रहे थे फॉयर से तो लोग नाच रहे हैं, चिल्ला रहे हैं, एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट वाज डैम क्यूट. सो या आई मीन देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फेवरेट मोमेंट्स, बट दीज वर लाइक आवर टॉप moments.
But all the favorite moments were all the 3 days. That's all.
Yeah.
It was perfect. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, I wish we could get married again.
25 the
ऐसा
anniversary.
नहीं है.
अरे 25th anniversary.
एनिवर्सरी पे. अच्छा
25 वर्ष आहे तुझ्याकडे.
ओके.
तारीखाचे 25 वर्ष आहे.
वर्ष 6 हमारे पास है.
हाँ.
Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down what other videos you want me to do. Comment से याद आया that last video जो हमने post किया था about the Valentine's Day. You guys have loved that vlog and like every comment is कि please तुम ऐसे ही vlog करो जहाँ पे like तुम्हारी तुतु में चल रही है and all of that. We really like that kind of vlogs. So of course साहिल जब घर पे होगा तो मैं vlog करूँगी ही, तो let the like his
Yeah,
work
I'll go
get
with
over
free flow.
and we will
Yeah.
try to make थोड़ा ज़्यादा videos than normal. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Until then, stay positive.
And stay happy.
Bye.
Good enough. Hey, my goodie, my goodie, my good enough. Hey, chop on